Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can start an affiliate program on your WordPress website using the Affiliate Press plugin. If you're selling products online, then you can start an affiliate program on your WordPress website so that people will be able to join the affiliate program and they will be able to sell your products using the affiliate links. So I'll show you what are the basic features of Affiliate Press plugin and how you can start an affiliate program on your WordPress website. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I have already added some products in this WooCommerce website. Now I want people to sign up to my affiliate program and I want people to sell these products using the affiliate program. And for that I have installed the Affiliate Press plugin. This is the dashboard of the Affiliate Press plugin. And on the dashboard you will see all the statistics. Total commission, unpaid commission, how many visits were there using the affiliate links. So when someone signs up to affiliate program, they will get an affiliate link which they can use to promote the products. So here it shows how many visits were there using the affiliate link, how many affiliates are there, what is the commission and total revenue. So you will see different statistics on the dashboard. If I go to commissions, you will see an option to manage commission. Whether the commission is approved. If it is paid, it will show it is paid. So if I click on it, it will show which product is sold and what is the order amount. Now let's go to settings here. And from here, you can manage the basic settings of this plugin. We are on the general tab and these are the affiliate settings. Allow affiliate registration. So we are going to allow people to register for an affiliate program. And for that, we have a link here. You will see a link here, affiliate panel, from where people will be able to sign up to the affiliate program. If I click on it, it will show the sign up form. You will see it here. So I'm going to open the same link in different browsers so that I can show you how to sign up. So I'm going to sign up as an affiliate. Here you will see an option, create an account. I do not have an account as affiliate. So I'm going to create an account. And for that, I'm going to use some dummy information here. And so I have added the email and the password. Here I'm going to add the payment email address. If you're making payments using PayPal, then we will need PayPal email address so that we can release the payment. This is going to be the website which the user will use to promote the products. So I'm going to add one demo website here. Check this box. I agree with terms and condition and create an account. So we are going to create a new account as an affiliate. So we are now redirected to the affiliate panel. This is going to be the dashboard for the affiliate user. You will see the details on the dashboard. Total earnings, paid earnings, unpaid earnings, how many visits using the affiliate link, commissions, and what is the commission rate. You will see the reports also. If I go here, you will see an option to customize the profile. You will see the first name, last name, username, user email address, website, how will you promote us, and the payment details. You can also change the password from here and customer will also be able to delete the account from here. Now let's go back to dashboard. Next tab is commissions. Let's go to commissions and it will show the details of the commission, approved commission, pending commission, a rejected or paid commission. Next tab is affiliate link. This is going to be the affiliate link that the affiliate user can use to promote the products. So I'm going to copy this affiliate link and I'm going to open the same website using the affiliate link. So now I have used this affiliate link. Now let's go back to dashboard. And if I go to visits, you will see number of visits using the affiliate link. So we have one visit using the same affiliate link. This is the URL which is opened using the affiliate link. And you will see this cross mark, which means it is not converted. Next option is creatives. This is nothing but the resources for the marketing. So like type, image or text link. These are the resources which the user can download and use to promote the products. Next tab is payments. Here you will see the details of the affiliate payments, unpaid payments or the paid payments. So this is going to be the dashboard for the affiliate user. Now let's go back to the admin dashboard and let's continue with the settings. Allow affiliate registration enabled. auto active upon affiliate registration. So as soon as someone fills up the affiliate program form, it is going to approve that account automatically. If you want to do it manually, you can disable this option and you can activate the affiliate user registration manually. I'm going to keep it on auto approve. Tracking cookie days is 30 days. The number of days a referred visitor is being tracked is 30. Affiliate user parameter is AFREF. If I go back to user dashboard, if I go to link, you will see this here, AFREF. This is nothing but the URL parameter which is set up. You can change it. So instead of AFREF, you can change it to something else and that will be used here. All right, enable fancy affiliate URL, which is not enabled. Generates clean user-friendly affiliate URL if you enable this option like this. Allow affiliate user to close their account. Yes, you can let affiliate to close their account. Sending anonymous usage stats, which is enabled. Then we have page settings, the affiliate account page, you will see it here. Affiliate panel, you will see affiliate panel here. So for the affiliate account page, we have affiliate panel, and for the affiliate registration page, we have affiliate sign up page. So these pages are created automatically. If you want to add Google reCAPTCHA, you can enable this one and enter the Google site key, secret key, and you can add a reCAPTCHA on the sign up form. Setup wizard, if you want to run setup wizard, you can run the setup wizard. Data cleanup, if you want to delete visit data, you can delete it from here. Now let's go to commissions tab. It will show, and from here you can manage the commission settings. Commission rate is 10%. So for each sale, you're going to offer 10% commission. Commission basis, commission per product sold or commission per order sold. So as of now, commission per product sold is selected. Allow affiliates to earn commissions for their own orders. So the affiliate user can make a purchase on your website using their own affiliate link, and they can also earn 10% commission even after using their own affiliate link. If you want that feature, you can enable this option. Allow zero amount commission, which is enabled. A refund grace period, which is set to 0. Payment minimum amount is $10. So from here, you can change the minimum payment amount. Commission billing cycle for auto update will be monthly or weekly, yearly or disabled. Day of billing cycle for auto payment. In each month on third day, it is going to auto send the commission payment. Default commission status based on the source plugin payment status or pending. Then we have credit last refer. Credit is the most recent refer for conversion. So it is going to use the most recent refer for the conversion. Then we have currency settings. These are the basic currency settings. Currently it is set to US dollar, and this is the symbol position, number of decimal and currency separator. Let's go to the next tab, that is payment. PayPal mass payment, enable PayPal payout payment. You just need to enable it from here, and the payout type will be manual or auto. If you select auto, you will need to enter the PayPal client ID and PayPal secret key. Once you enter this option, PayPal payout will be activated automatically. Let's go to integration. WooCommerce is currently enabled. In this case, we are using WooCommerce, and the WooCommerce integration is already enabled. You can also integrate many other plugins. For example, AR Member, Easy Digital Downloads, Booking Press, Member Press, Shortcut, Restrict Content Pro, Lifter LMS, AR Forms, Give WP. So you will see a list of all the plugins which you can integrate with Affiliate Press. Email settings. These are the basic email settings. It is going to use the WordPress default email delivery method. Company name, here you can set up your company name. From name will be your business name. From email will be your business email address, and this is admin email address. So this email will be shown as from email. Let's go to labels, and from here you can manage all the labels. Panel tab labels, dashboard, commission, affiliate links, visit, creative, payment. These are the dashboard labels, commissions label, affiliate link labels. So all the labels can be customized from this section. The default label settings looks good to me. Let's go back to appearance, and here you will see the color settings. If you want to change the color or the style settings, you can change the colors from here. Here you will see the font, you can change the font. The next tab is import and export. From here you can import and export all the data. Then we have license tab, and here you can enter your license key and activate the license. So let's go back to general tab. When you install this plugin, you will see affiliate press in the left hand panel, and here we are on the settings tab. You will see different tabs here. Widgets, it will show all the widgets. If I go to widgets, you will see the list of all the widgets. Let's go to affiliates, it will show the list of all the affiliates. Here you will see the affiliate account that we just created, and it is auto approved. If you want to reject, you can also reject the affiliate registration, or you can keep it on pending. Then we have groups. You can also create different types of commission groups. Here we have bronze, silver and gold. For bronze member, the commission will be 5%. For silver members, commission will be 8%, and for gold members, commission will be 10%. If you want to create a new group, you can create a new group from here, and you can enable the custom rate, the percentage or a fixed amount. Let's cancel it. Let's go to creatives, and here you will see marketing resources that the affiliate can use. You will see creative detail. This is the name, description, text link, and the loading URL. Let's go to payouts, and from here you can manage all the payouts. Notifications. All right, so you will see email notification that you're going to send to all the affiliates. This is the email subject, affiliate account pending. When the account is pending, this is the email that will be sent to the affiliate. So here you will see two different emails. One will be sent to affiliate user, and one will be sent to the administrator. So you can customize both the emails. This is for the account pending status. Once the account is approved, it is going to send another email. So here you will see the content which will be sent to the affiliate user and the administrator once the account is approved. So from here you can customize all the emails: account rejected, commission registered, commission approved, payment paid, and payment failed. So if I go to commission approved, this is the email which will be sent. Hey, affiliate username, we are pleased to inform you that your commission has been approved. Commission ID, commission amount. So you will see some placeholders here which you can use in email. All right, so from here you can manage all the notifications to affiliate user and to administrator. Form editor. All right, so this is the sign up form that we used, in which we have first name, last name, username, email, password, payment email, text will be website, and how will you promote us. So these are the fields used in the sign up form. If you want to delete any one of these fields, you can delete the fields, or if you want to add more fields, you can add more fields to the sign up form. You will see different elements which you can use. Let's go to settings. All right, we have already gone through all the settings. Next to that we have reports. Let's go to reports, and it will show all the reports. Currently we are on the commissions. It will show all the commissions for the last 7 days. From here you can change the number of days, paid commission, unpaid commission, total commission amount, paid commission amount, unpaid commission amount. If I go to visits, it will show the data for the visits, number of visits in last 7 days. Affiliate, it will show number of affiliates in last 7 days. Payout, this will show all the payout data. So this is the section where you will get all the reports. Then we have license and add-ons. Let's go to add-ons. And these are the add-ons that you can use: coupon code, product wise commission, product selection, fraud protection, performance bonus, sign up bonus. So there are many different add-ons which you can use. So if you are selling online products using WordPress website, you can start an affiliate program on your WordPress website using the Affiliate Press plugin.